Right. Before we start this video, a small announcement that the registration for foundation level of CSE CMA courses are going on full-fledgedly. Limited online seats are left because we are giving live online classes. So make sure you make the most of it. The fees is reasonable, quality education is as its best, scholarship offers are available. Make sure you are contacting our office, and our team of 5 experienced faculties with a mix of young energetic faculties and experienced faculties will make sure that you clear your foundation exams of CSE CMA at one attempt, at one go. Now let us watch the video. Hello दोस्तों, this is CSES MOHIT AGARWAL here, director, founder and a faculty member of MOHIT Educom Private Limited and EduLife Achievers Private Limited. Breaking news, बहुत important announcement for all the students who are awaiting कि उन लोग का बोर्ड एग्जाम्स कब होने वाला है क्लास 10 एंड 12 का. CBSE बोर्ड अगर आपका है तो हमारे HRD मिनिस्टर ने अनाउंस कर दिया है कि जो CBSE क्लास 10 एंड क्लास 12 बोर्ड के जो एग्जाम्स है वो कंडक्ट होंगे बिटवीन 1st July to 15th July. Now this does not mean that it will start from 1st July. It is between 1st July and 15th July the exams are going to start. The detailed schedule will soon follow, which means the dates and the time and the venues where the exam will take place will be given by the minister shortly. Okay, maybe in 3 to 4 days they'll be coming out with the detailed schedule, or it may so happen by the time you are watching this video they might have come out with the entire schedule of the exams. Acha, isme very important thing is that the remaining exams that are going to take place, the pending papers for which the exams are remaining, not for all the pending papers will the exam take place. The central government has decided to grant some exemptions, and only important papers according to central government the students will have to appear, only for the important papers out of the pending papers. For the rest papers they will be marked on the basis of the internal assessment. Now for the remaining boards also, whosever exams are pending, the same system is going to be followed. We'll have to wait for the respective announcement for the remaining boards. As of now, for CBSE, the exams are going to be conducted between July 1st and July 15th, and not for all the papers. And the papers for which the exams have already been conducted, the students will obviously they won't have to reappear for those papers. But for the papers for which the exams are pending, not for all the papers will the exam be conducted, only for some important papers the exam will be conducted. And for the remaining papers, internal assessment will come into the picture, which means your respective teachers are going to mark you on the basis of your pre-test and prior test, unit test, whatever it took place in your school. To be very honest, if you ask me, this announcement by the ministry is very much optimistic and looks a bit impracticable to me right now. I don't think that even in July, first week of July or so, I don't think so personally the student will be in a proper frame of mind to go to the institute and give the exam. So it's better to mark all the papers on the basis of internal assessment and make a closure of the board exams. Having said that, let us hope for the best, and as a student you should continue to study. You should not foresee what cannot be forecasted. So as a student, it is your duty that you should keep on studying. Otherwise what will happen is that you will become indolent and you will lose the touch, and automatically the entire syllabus will be out of the grasp. So do not make the mistake, at least study 2 hours or 3 hours every day. One more thing that I would like to share with you all, that after clearing this class 12 exam, or rather before clearing this class 12 exam, you can join the course of CA or CSO CMA. CA Institute has given the exemption that if a student has appeared class 12 even a single paper, or he has got the admit card, he can register for the CA course. And we MEPL, we are the team of 5 faculties. We provide best quality education for the CA course at all levels, not only foundation but foundation, inter and final. So undoubtedly you can blindly trust us for getting quality education at the CA foundation level. We are present at Kolkata, but we reach students throughout India. We have mentored more than 2 lakh of students throughout these 10 to 11 years, and I don't like to say that, but it is true that maximum number of all India ranks are from our institute only, and you can blindly trust us and follow our instruction to get the best out of you yourself. Now, to make it very attractive and to motivate you to study for your board exams and to study properly the foundation level, we are coming out with a scholarship offer. For example, if a student gets 80% plus marks, then we'll be giving him a scholarship cashback of 2,000, 90% plus mark 4,000, 95% plus mark 8,000. Now easily a student can score 80% in the board exam. So 2,000 scholarship cashback is a guaranteed offer for you, because easily you can score 80%. Already the fees is kept at a reasonable level, and the quality education that we impart is unparalleled and unmatchable. You can watch our YouTube videos and satisfy yourself, and do like the channel and subscribe the channel for all important updates in future. You will be needing it. Take care, stay safe, lots of love, bye bye, Jai Hind.